is operating a skid steer. All right. The goal is to take this skid steer, go get the culvert, grab it, and put it into the dumpster. Fastest one to do it wins.
Should you at least know how to operate the control?
Yeah, that would be optimal.
Time will start when he starts moving.
That was pretty quick.
I'm a little
Done!
There you go.
How do you go forward?
Oh wait. All right. Hey, I got it.
Good? Oh. Hey, I'm stuck! Oh, there we go. Ah! Did I beat Nate? Oh, okay. I had to first mine together. Yeah. Man, it's like, no, I didn't. Well, I saw Nate do it and I said, you should come up top on that. Wait a minute, we're giving hints now? No, there's no hints.
Behind the red button is your clamps. Turn them on.
Where?
The next button.
This one?
Nathan having to give
No,
them
right here, this.
tutorials, sending me.
almost flipped over.
Lost in quiet.
Hey, at least you won one.
That first person is gonna be great.
Yeah, that's gonna be
I was
insane.
pretty calm. I was like, well, I got to ride this one out.
It's like, well, my time's over.
I was like, well, no. I was like, I'm gonna get all the way up. Give me. That was a mistake.
That was a mistake.
All right, minute 57 on that one.
You almost died on that one, Joel.
Yeah, that was insane. I looked over and I saw Nicole like, oh my god.
Oh, she was laughing the whole time.
I'm dying over here.
At least I know what it's gonna be like when I go. At least people will be having fun when I die from my own mistakes.
Yeah. That in-camera view is just gonna be your face up against the windshield.
You know, I do wonder what my facial expressions in there. are.